After 50, we lose muscle, we lose strength, we even lose balance. But the truth is, it's not aging that's doing this. It's what we've stopped doing. And there's one simple movement that can reverse it all. Today, you'll learn why the sumo squat is one of the most powerful exercises after 50, and how to do it in a way that protects your joints, builds muscle, improves balance, and even boosts hormones without needing weights or a gym. So, let's get into it. Most people think squats are dangerous after 50, but done correctly, this variation actually protects you. It's called the sumo squat, and it's built for your body as it ages. Activated, feet wide, toes out, spine tall, slow, deep movement with control. Here's what it does. Number 1, it rebuilds bone density. After 50, bones naturally weaken, especially in the hips, spine, and legs. The sumo squat is a weight-bearing move that stimulates bone-building cells called osteoblasts. Studies show it can increase bone density by up to 3% per year. That's your defense against fractures and osteoporosis. 2, it naturally boosts testosterone and growth hormone. Yep, even in your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Large muscle groups under tension equals hormonal ignition. You'll feel stronger, sharper, and more confident, not because of supplements, but because of smart movement. 3, it strengthens your hips and improves mobility. Tight hips equal bad posture, low back pain, and bad knees. The sumo squat opens them up naturally. It forces you to move through a fuller, more balanced range of motion, which translates to better walking, better standing, and less stiffness. Number 4, it activates your entire lower body all at once. Glutes, adductors, quads, and hamstrings. This one movement works muscles most people over 50 stop training, and those muscles are the key to your balance, posture, and daily confidence. Let me ask you, have you felt your legs getting weaker over the past few years? Comment "fit" below and let me know. Now let's keep going. Number 5, it trains your lower back and core. Most people over 50 struggle with back pain. This move keeps your spine tall and your core engaged. That protects your spine from damage and helps reverse long-standing weakness. Think of it as building a natural belt of strength around your middle. 6, it improves your balance. Falls are the #1 cause of injury over 65. This move teaches your brain and muscles to stay upright, stable, and fast reacting. You're not just building strength, you're building protection. Number 7, and yes, it improves how you look. Tighter glutes, firmer thighs, a more confident upright walk. This isn't about vanity, it's about presence. How you feel in your body changes how you show up in life. The sumo squat does more than tone. It builds back that look of strength. Now, here's how to do it properly without hurting yourself. Activated, feet wider than shoulders, toes out, chest up, eyes forward. Sit back like there's a chair behind you. Go only as deep as your flexibility allows. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Press up slowly, squeezing your glutes. No rushing, no bouncing, no pain. Start with just 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, 2 to 3 days a week. That's all it takes to start rebuilding your strength, the safe way. And remember, small effort consistently applied beats intense effort inconsistently used. If this helped you, comment "fit" below and tell me what change you've noticed lately in your body. I read every comment. And if you want more moves that rebuild your body after 50, watch next. 4 moves that rebuild muscles after 50, FitFixen Special. It's one of our most loved videos. And if you want free tools, supplements, and resources to boost testosterone, energy, and longevity, you'll find everything I use in the channel bio. Simple, proven, effective. This is FitFixen, where we don't age, we rebuild. Together.